How much will it cost to waterproof your basement? There are distinct types of approaches when waterproofing foundation walls. With that also, there are different price ranges, all depending on the complexity of the repair to be done. For example, exterior waterproofing versus interior waterproofing. Between these methods, the exterior waterproofing can be quite pricey, with the price ranging from $100 to $300 per linear foot. If you are going to get your basement waterproof from the outside, then you can be sure that if done correctly, the basement will be dry and moisture-free for an exceedingly long time. We usually recommend interior waterproofing repair when there is not enough space between neighboring houses and with unfinished basements. With this method, the prices are between $70 to $200 per linear foot. Most times we recommend the installation of a sump pump while waterproofing from the inside to collect the water from the weeping tile and dispose it away from the house. The cost to add a sump pump varies from $565 to $3,500. If the foundation has a crack generated by pressure on the wall by soil that is wet, a professional opinion should be sought to determine how serious it is and how to get it repaired. To find out exactly how much it will cost you to waterproof your basement, call 416-333-LEAK for a free assessment and quote. That's 416-333-5325 and we will be happy to help you. Have a great day.